In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize Chrome quickly and easily so you can give your browser a fresh new look. If you spend a lot of time in Chrome, changing the background, colors, and tabs can make browsing feel much more personal and a lot more enjoyable. This is a simple, beginner-friendly tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to find themes, install one, and change the overall look of Chrome in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This is where you'll find most of Chrome's settings and customization options. From the menu, look for extensions and click it. This step helps you get to the tools and options connected to your browser, and it's also a good place to start when you want to manage or improve your Chrome experience. After that, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it in Google if you don't already have it open, or navigate there directly from your browser tools. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, use the search bar to search for themes. Chrome themes are the easiest way to customize the look of your browser without changing anything complicated. When you search themes, you'll see a wide range of styles, colors, and designs. Some are dark and minimal, some are bright and bold, and others have more creative artwork. Take a moment to browse through the available options and pick one that fits your style. When you find a theme you like, click on it to open the theme page. Here, you'll see more details and a preview of what it looks like. If it looks good to you, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then apply the theme to your browser automatically. In just a moment, you should notice the changes right away. Your background may change, the colors around the browser may shift, and the tabs can also take on a new look depending on the theme you selected. That's the main benefit of using Chrome themes. They let you personalize the browser experience without needing any advanced setup. If you want to try a different style later, you can always come back to the Chrome Web Store and switch themes anytime. You can keep testing different looks until you find one that feels perfect for your workflow or your taste. So now you know how to customize Chrome by opening the menu, going to extensions, visiting the Chrome Web Store, searching for themes, and adding one to Chrome. It's fast, easy, and a great way to make your browser feel brand new. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.